Forest Village in Forest Park, Ohio. Starting on the first floor. This video is dedicated to Escondelov because he's filmed here before. This store was originally B. Altman. And here is the elevator. It is a modernized Montgomery Vector. I like the red light in the inhibition button. It looks orange on the camera, but it's red. He's going up?
Yes.
Ooh. Alright, come on in, guys. That lantern is confused. I just like filming elevators, it's a hobby. How's it going?
Me too.
We're gonna end back up here on the second floor, but look, the down lantern is stuck lit up. Alright, let's go to one cab view. This is a beautiful cab. I like how dark this wood is. Here's your indicator, which is... Oh, it is buttons. Nice. Innovation fixtures. I can reach it because I'm like 5'9", so... Let's go back to two. This is the only Kohl's elevator in Ohio that's not Montgomery KONE, so I'm glad this exists. This was a Vector, 2,500 pound capacity. Let's get one more round trip in. That's just what we did. And I'll show you how long the hallway is up here. A little bit of a glare due to the light of the button. That's no big deal. Actually, I won't show you how long the hallway is, but yeah, that down there is stuck lit up. Alright, and on the second floor. Sorry about the shades. Here we go, now we're two-handed. Here's the button. Yeah, down a long hallway up here, and there's just more offices. And there's the Airbnb. There it goes. And that'll be it. Thank you for watching.